The Advenate Hybrid offers two amazing inflatable tents, each with its own cool features. The first tent is perfect for the unpredictable British summer. It's small, lightweight, and sets up in just minutes. It's designed for two people who want a quick and easy camping experience without any hassle. The second tent connects directly to your car, turning your vehicle into an extra living space. It has big awnings where you can hang out, enjoy a barbecue, or play games, even if it's raining. This makes camping much more comfortable and fun, no matter what the weather is like outside. If the car-connected tent sounds familiar, it's because it's made by the same creators of the popular garage tent. The smaller, quick setup tent is made by a British company called Go Outdoors, known for their smart and practical camping gear. Both tents are designed to make your camping trip better, whether you want something quick and simple or Arsenal Firearms AF 2011A1. The Arsenal Firearms AF 2011A1 is one of the most eye-catching pistols ever made. It's basically two classic M1911 handguns combined into one powerful double-barrel weapon. If it looks familiar, that's because it appeared in big movies like Deadpool 2, Resident Evil: The Final Chapter, and Spectre. Built by Arsenal Firearms, this unique gun took 6 months to design and was first revealed in 2012. It features two magazines that each hold 8 rounds and fires either 38 Super or 45 ACP ammo. Even without bullets, it weighs a solid 4.2 pounds. But it's not just for show. This beast is fully functional and delivers serious firepower. The CAM.G camping guard is an awesome inflatable tent designed for easy and quick camping. It comes in sizes from 3.5 to 4.3 meters long and can be fully set up in just 2 minutes thanks to its inflatable parts. Once inflated, you can use it on water, pull it onto the shore, or even carry it on top of your car. What's cool is that the tent works great even without being attached to a board, so you have lots of ways to enjoy it. It weighs only 5 kilograms, making it light and easy to carry. But keep in mind, it costs around $670, which is more than many inflatable boards. If you want a complete inflatable camping kit, there are matching accessories like inflatable pillows and air mattresses to make your outdoor stay super comfy. This tent is perfect for anyone who loves adventure but doesn't want to struggle with heavy or complicated camping gear. Cheating watch. This clever gadget is every sneaky student's dream come true. The cheating watch looks like a regular smartwatch, but it's designed with a twist. It hides your secrets in plain sight. Its special screen can only be seen from a certain angle, so anyone trying to peek, like a teacher or a nosy classmate, will just see a black screen. Coleman Tent Bundle. Camping in Europe is all about enjoying nature, especially since 68% of campsites are in quiet, rural areas. Many people want to camp with friends, but don't always have enough tents. That's where Coleman, a popular American camping brand, comes in with a clever solution: connectable tents. These tents can easily link together, so you can create a bigger space by joining smaller tents. For example, you can connect 3 small tents to a larger 6-person tent, giving you lots of options to fit your group perfectly. Coleman's tents are super strong. They've been tested to handle winds over 15 meters per second. They also have special WeatherTech floors that keep water out, so you stay dry even if it rains. Plus, they come with a rain awning for extra protection. CRKT Provoke Knife. The CRKT Provoke is a high-tech twist on an ancient blade, inspired by the traditional karambit, a curved knife originally used for self-defense. This modern version is designed by Joe Caswell, a well-known knife expert. What makes the Provoke truly unique is its futuristic opening system. With just a push of your thumb, the blade quickly flips out, ready for action. It's smooth, fast, and safe to use, making it perfect for emergency situations or quick access. Despite its solid build, it only weighs around 4.7 ounces, and the blade length is just under 2.5 inches. It also includes a discreet pocket clip, so you can carry it easily without bulk. Whether you're into cool gadgets, tactical tools, or just appreciate clever engineering, the CRKT Provoke delivers on all fronts. Its design is practical for everyday carry, but also impressive enough to catch attention. Branded with the slogan, "Serve, Protect," this knife isn't just for show, it's built to perform. Originally released at around $100, the Provoke has become a favorite among collectors, survivalists, and everyday users who want style, speed, and strength all in one compact tool. Double Star Zombie AK-47. The Double Star Zombie AK-47 is one of the most unique and creative guns you'll ever see. It's built on the classic AK-47, but with a crazy twist. It has a built-in electric chainsaw attached. This wild design is made for fans of the zombie apocalypse and looks like it came straight out of a video game. It's not just for fun. The chainsaw is meant to help fight off zombies, though it's more of a cool gimmick than a serious weapon. This one-of-a-kind rifle even showed up at the SHOT Show, the biggest hunting and shooting event in the world. The creators plan to make a small batch for about $1,500 each, but their website is now inactive, so it's unclear if more will be sold. While the electric chainsaw sounds like a toy and isn't very powerful, it definitely adds a lot of style and personality to the rifle. This old fire truck got lucky. It didn't end up in a junkyard. Instead, the team from the YouTube channel The Real Life Guys turned it into an awesome RV that's ready for any adventure. The transformation is amazing, full of smart ideas and impressive work. Believe it or not, this fire truck now has a cozy fireplace inside. But that's not all. They added a toilet, a shower, a kitchen, and comfortable sleeping spaces. To top it off, they painted the whole truck in a tough, rugged gray color, making it look ready to conquer any terrain. After the build was done, the team tested the EXPEDITIONSMOBIL on a 10-day trip through the hot deserts of Tunisia. The truck handled the tough conditions perfectly. This test proved it's more than just a camper. It's a reliable travel buddy built for exploring off the beaten path. If you love adventure and want a unique, tough RV, this fire truck conversion shows what's possible with skill and creativity. FX Ranchero Arrow. The FX Ranchero Arrow is a super cool mix between a pistol and a crossbow that gives you a fresh way to shoot arrows. It looks like a pistol, but instead of bullets, it shoots arrows, making you feel like a modern Robin Hood. The arrows fly at about 17 meters per second, which is slower than a traditional crossbow, but still powerful enough for hunting and target practice. It weighs just 1.3 kilograms, so it's light and easy to handle. You can shoot up to 30 meters, and the battery lets you fire around 8 arrows before needing a recharge. This isn't a toy or a gimmick. It's a serious hunting tool with real power. The design is unique and futuristic, almost like something out of a spy movie, but it's built for real use. The price is around $1,100, which matches the quality and technology packed into this weapon. Gilboa DBR Snake. The Gilboa DBR Snake is one of the coolest and most unique rifles out there. Designed in Israel, it's an automatic weapon that really stands out because of its double-barrel design. If you've played the game Warface, you might have already seen it in action. The goal behind this rifle was simple: make it smaller, but also more powerful. Instead of designing something totally new, the creators took the popular AR-15 platform and upgraded it in a smart way. They added a second barrel and made a few technical tweaks while keeping things compatible with standard 5.56 to 45mm NATO rounds. That means it's easy to use with regular ammunition. The rifle is 31 inches long, has a removable stock, and weighs about 11 pounds without the magazines. It was first introduced back in 2012, and it still grabs attention today.